In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add more Fibonacci levels on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 and let's add our Fibonacci. So for me, it's this one. Click on it here and I will add it here. Now let's say, for example, I want to add 79 level here. Okay. So all you have to do is click on the Fibonacci like this, then right click and click on properties. Then go to levels, this one, click on it like this, click on add, and here on level you have to type 0.79. Okay, if you want to add the 88.6%, for example, you have to type 0.886. Okay, I think that you get the idea. And here on description, you have to type, for example, 79, the one you will see here. So I will type 79 like this. Now click on OK. And as you can see, this is that level in that set. So let's remove this Fibonacci. Let's add it again. And as you can see, we have that level. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.